In this, the acidic properties due to the NH3 plus and basic properties due to the carboxylic group. Look at this structure. So this is the structure NH3 plus CH or COO minus. It is reacted with acid. Then the proton is attacked to the carboxylic acid group and it is converted to carboxylic acid. Okay, COO minus attack H plus proton shows basicity. When the hydrogen in the presence of the basic medium, here in the presence of the sodium hydroxide, it is converted to Na plus and OH minus. So here in this NH3 plus, so hydrogen is eliminated as proton, then it behaves as the base. Once I repeat, in the presence of the HCl, the proton is attacked with the O minus, then it is converted to acid. In presence of the base, the NH3 plus hydrogen is eliminated as proton, then it is converted to NH2. So NH3 denotes H plus proton, shows the acidic character. Okay. So the next topic is about the isoelectric point. So what is isoelectric point? The solution of changed ion is placed in an electric field. The negative ions are transferred towards anode electrode and the positive ions are transferred toward the cathode electrode. The amino acid in acidic solution to form a positive ion and migrate toward the cathode in basic solution. The amino acid forms negative ion migrate toward the anode electrode. Okay, look at this once I repeat. What is isoelectric point? So in this isoelectric point, the Zwitter ion, it is having the two poles. One is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge. Okay, so the solution of the charged ion is placed in an electric field. Okay, so that is called as isoelectric point. In this field, the negative ions are transferred toward the anode. The negative ions are transferred toward the anode and the positive ions are transferred toward the cathode. In this, the amino acid in acidic solution to form a positive ion and migrates toward the cathode. Okay, because it is having the negative charge. In base solution, the amino acids form negative ion migrate towards anode electrode. At a certain pH value, the amino acids does not migrate toward the cathode or toward the anodes. A neutral dipolar ion. Thus, the pH value is called as isoelectric point. Look at this in this structure. So here the structure, it is having the, look at this middle structure. Wait a minute. Look at this structure. Look at this middle structure. So in these three structures are present. So this is the Zwitter ion. So this Zwitter ion in the presence of the sodium hydroxide. Okay, in the presence of the HCl, it is moves toward the anode. The Zwitter ion in the presence of the HCl, it moves toward the cathode. Okay. Then the neutral amino acids have isoelectric point from pH 5.5 to 6.3. The acidic amino acids have the acidic isoelectric point at low pH around 3. The basic amino acids have isoelectric point at high pH value around 10. Then the next topic is chemical properties. What are the chemical properties of amino acids? The amino acids shows acidic basic properties and it shows different chemical reaction. So the reactions first we are explained according to carboxylic acid group. Okay. So here the first reaction it is the amino acids are react with a base to form sodium salt of amino acid. Look at this. This is the structure. So in this amino acid, it is reacted with a base and produce sodium salt of amino acid. So this is one type of reaction. Next type of reactions are esterification reaction. In this esterification, the amino acid carboxylic group is reacted with alcohol group in the presence of acidic medium. By loss of water, ester is formed as the product. The next is decarboxylation reaction. So what is decarboxylation reaction? On heating with barium hydroxide, by loss of carbon dioxide, forms amino acid. Here we can take the carboxylic acid. It is reacted with this one, the last one. Amino acid is reacted with barium hydroxide in the presence of heating. It loses the carbon dioxide gas and it is converted to alkane. The next one is this is the reduction reaction. The amino acid, it undergoes reduction in the presence of the lithium aluminum hydride. The carboxylic acid group is involved in the reduction and it is converted to alcohol. Look at this. This is the amino acid. In the presence of the lithium aluminum hydride, this acid group is converted to alcohol. Then the next one is reaction according to NH2 group, amino group. So in the previous we are discussing about the in amino acid the reactions are done for the carboxylic acid position. For this we have to done about the NH2 amino group. So in this we can take the amino acid. It is reacted with acid and it produce amino salt of amino acid. So this is amino acid. It is reacted with HCl. The proton is attacked to NH2 group and it is converted to amino salt of amino acid. Then next one is reactions with nitric acid, HNO2 nitrous acid. So this is the amino acid. It is reacted with nitrous acid. Then it is converted to alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. That means the NH amino group is converted to alcoholic group. Then the next reactions are alkylation and acylation reactions. Amino acids are reacted with the alkyl halide to form N-alkyl amino acid, and they are reacted with acid chloride to form N-acyl amino acid. Look at this. First, we can take the amino acid. It is reacted with alkyl halide RX. Then hydrogen and X is eliminated as HX. Alkyl group is substituted to nitrogen. This is called as N-alkyl amino acid. Okay. Then next is look at this. These are the another reactions according to carboxylic group and amino group. In the previous, we are discussing about only one functional group. If the carboxylic group is involved in the reaction or NH2 group is involved in the reaction. Then in this chemical properties, we are discussing about both the functional group, that is amino group as well as carboxylic acid group. Here we can take the 2 moles of amino acid. Okay, in this 2 moles of amino acid, 1 mole of amino acid, carboxylic group C double bond OH, it is reacted with another amino acid NH2 amino group. In this NH2, one of the hydrogen is eliminated as proton. By heating, it loses the water molecule. And same phenomena takes place in the next side. One amino acid hydrogen that is attacked to the nitrogen atom, and another amino acid carboxylic acid group OH, it is eliminated as water molecule. Then this type of cyclic structure is produced. Okay. Then the next one is amino acids loss of NH2 form adjacent carbons having from unsaturated. Under heating, it is converted to carboxylic acid. One look at this reaction. So this is the amino acid. Under heating process, the functional group CO2H attached carbon is alpha carbon. So this alpha carbon donate the electrons in between the beta and alpha carbon, and it is eliminated as proton. Then the beta carbon get the electron rich center. That's why this group is eliminated as NH2 minus. This NH2 minus is reacted with H plus proton. By loss of ammonia, it is converted to a olefin compound. The next is gamma amino acids. Okay, so which are called as gamma amino acid? The gamma carbon containing the NH2 group, it is called as gamma amino acid. So we can take a gamma amino acid, it loses the water molecule under heating, then it is converted to lactenes. Look at this. So here the C double bond O H carbon attached carbon is called as alpha carbon. Alpha attached carbon is called as beta carbon. Beta attached carbon is called as gamma carbon. So this gamma carbon is having the nitrogen atom. It is having the 2 hydrogens. Under heating, the nitrogen hydrogen group and the carboxylic acid OH both are eliminated as water molecule, and it is converted to a cyclic structure. So these are the topics of amino acids. So in these topics, once I repeat, so here in this topic we are discussing about what is amino acid and the classification of amino acid. The classification is based upon mainly 3 types. Okay, so those are, the first one is based upon the function. These are 2 types, essential and non-essential. Number 2 is based upon the nature. 3 types, neutral amino acid, acidic amino acid, basic amino acid. Then based upon the NH2 group position, it is 2 types, alpha position, alpha amino acid, beta amino acids and gamma amino acid. Then next we are discussing about the preparation methods of amino acid. So here we are discussing about the various preparation methods. So the first preparation method is from carboxylic acid. Number second preparation method is method. Third preparation method is from diethyl malanoate. Okay. Then next, in this we are discussing about physical properties. In these physical properties, we are discussing about Zwitter ion as well as isoelectric point. And we are discussing about chemical properties. The chemical properties are explained to carboxylic acid group and amino group. For the carboxylic acid group, we are discussing about some of the reactions. For the NH2 also, we are discussing about some of the reactions. Then by using the both the group, that means amino group and the NH2 group, both are eliminated and produce a lactone type of structure. Okay, these are discussed in the today's class. The remaining topic is about which is called as peptide bond and which are called as proteins. So these topics are discussed tomorrow. Okay.